Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's draw another mermaid. Let's color with me. First I am coloring its hair, yellow color. Its hair is so long. Green color, I am coloring its teeth. I am coloring a both sides with pink color. Dark pink color, I am coloring its chest. Purple color, I am coloring its belly. I am coloring a sea.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am coloring its body with skin color. It's time to color its eyes. I am coloring its eyes with light blue color. I am coloring the I am coloring the water drop, dark blue color.
Subscribe us for more